Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use the power-ups on your Trello board, and also how to add them. So there's kind of different kind of things for power-ups. However, I'm just going to go briefly over how to use and add them. First of all, we click on power-ups and then we're going to click on add power-ups. So power-ups are like the applications that you can use to make your work more efficient. So these are the ones that are enabled. So the voting give power to the people and allow users to vote. But we're gonna add a different one. So I'm gonna click on automation and then I'm gonna click on card snooze, which is a card until a certain time when it will be restored to the board. I'm gonna click on this and then I'm gonna click on settings. And if I want, I can easily disable the application like the power-ups. There's different kind of things that you can add. Let's say that you wanna add card reactions. You can click on add. Let's say you have a business about like you want to add emojis to each message. You can also do that. You can click on add and it will be done. So it's added now. So here are the reactions. Like let's say that you want to have like different reactions, not likes and bottom, what is it called? Dislikes. We want like different emojis, so you can easily add these kind of power-ups. So these are actually created by people. So you can click on enabled and you can click on featured and you can now go back. So as you guys can see, we can now use our power-ups. On the right column, there's the power-up section. You can, to see that, you can click on one of these. So click on one of these, and then you can use the power-up. So here's a reaction one. There's like kind of different kind of reactions that you can use. Let's say that I want to use a squirrel, and it can like become interactive with your class or your business. You can also use the snooze one. Let's say that you want to snooze a card in 4 hours or tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. You can click on in 2 days and it will do it for you. So the card will be snoozed until March 14, 2023. So that's really cool, guys. So that was it for this video. That's how you use power-ups. Again, you click on power-ups and add power-ups, and then you can go and choose different kind of things like HR, file management, product design, and more. So that was basically it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're uploading videos about Trello and their tutorials in our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all so much and goodbye.